What if I told you that there is a treasure map that can lead you to financial freedom, and that map is in your hands? Today, we're going to unravel that map together, showing you how to organize your personal finances to unlock a more prosperous future. Hello everyone. On this channel, we transform the enigma of personal finances into a clear and simple path. If you have always felt that money management is a labyrinth, you are in the right place. Organizing your personal finances is like putting a GPS on your financial life. It's not just about numbers and budgets. It's about taking control of your money, understanding where it goes, and how it can lead you to achieve your dreams and goals. Throughout the video, I will take you step by step through the process of organizing your finances. From understanding your current financial situation to setting goals and creating a budget, I will show you how each step brings you closer to your financial security and well-being. If you're ready to unravel the secrets of your personal finances, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more practical tips, and share your experiences in the comments. Let's turn what might seem like a daunting challenge into an exciting one. Financial adventure. Step 1. Understand your current finances. Starting to organize your personal finances is like starting a journey. You need to know where you are starting from. The first crucial step is to understand your current financial situation. This means having a clear view of your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Just as a doctor cannot prescribe treatment without a diagnosis, you cannot begin to organize your finances without knowing your starting point. Start by evaluating your income. Add up all your monthly income sources, including salary, rental income, investments, or any other regular sources. Then, track your expenses. This includes fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, loan payments, and variable expenses such as food, entertainment, and personal purchases. The idea is to have a clear picture of where your money goes each month. To carry out this evaluation, you can use tools such as personal finance applications, spreadsheets, or even a traditional notebook. The important thing is to consistently record your income and expenses to have a reliable picture of your money flow. Next, make a list of all your debts, credit cards, student loans, mortgages, among others. Write down the total amount you owe, the interest rates, and payment terms. Also, review your savings and investments, including account savings, emergency funds, retirement plans, and other investments. Knowing your debts and savings will help you better understand your overall financial position. With this information, you will be able to do an initial analysis of your financial health. Do you spend more than you earn? Are your debts manageable? Are you saving enough for your future goals? This analysis is the first step in making informed decisions about how to improve your finances. Understanding your current financial situation is essential to organizing your finances. It provides the basis for setting realistic goals and developing an effective plan to achieve them. Step 2. Establish your financial goals clearly. With a clear understanding of your current financial situation, the next step is to establish your financial goals. These goals are like the destinations on your financial journey. Without clear and defined goals, it is easy to get lost or derailed from the path. Your goals can range from short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation, to long-term goals, such as retirement. Divide your goals into short, less than a year, medium, 1 to 5 years, and long-term, more than 5 years, categories. For example, a short-term goal might be paying off credit card debt. A medium-term goal could be saving for a down payment on a house, and a long-term goal could be ensuring a comfortable retirement. Also, your goals must be realistic and achievable. Set goals that challenge your financial capabilities but are also achievable. A goal that is too ambitious can be demotivating if not achieved, while goals that are too easy may not push you enough to improve your financial situation. Use the SMART methodology to define your objectives, which come from its acronym in English and mean specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and temporal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," a SMART goal would be, "I want to save $3,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months. Once you have established several goals, prioritize them according to their importance and urgency. This will help you focus your efforts and resources on the most critical goals first. For example, paying off high-interest debt might be a higher priority than saving for a vacation. Establishing clear financial goals is essential to organize your personal finances. It gives you direction and purpose for your financial decisions. Step 3. Creating a budget. Once you have established your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. A budget is not simply a plan for spending your money. It is a tool that allows you to take control of your finances, ensuring that your income is allocated in a way that brings you closer to your financial goals. As we mentioned at the beginning, start by listing all your monthly income and then detail your expenses. Expenses can be divided into fixed, such as rent or mortgage, and variable, such as groceries and entertainment. It is essential that this record is as accurate as possible to get a realistic picture of your financial situation. There are several budgeting methods you can adopt. The 50/30/20 rule method suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Other strategies include zero-based budgeting, where you allocate money from your income each month to expenses, savings, or debt. Choose the approach that best suits your lifestyle and goals. To help you create and track your budget, consider using digital tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets. These tools can provide a clear view of your finances, allow you to easily make adjustments, and help you stay on track. I'll leave you a link in the description for an example. Allocate a portion of your budget to each of your financial goals. For example, if one of your goals is to build an emergency fund, be sure to allocate a monthly amount toward it. Likewise, if you're working to pay off debt, incorporate regular payments into your budget. On the other hand, your budget should not be rigid. Life changes, and your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate these variations. Review it regularly and make adjustments as necessary. If you realize that you are spending too much in one category, look for ways to reduce those expenses or adjust other areas of your budget. Creating and maintaining a budget is essential to organize your personal finances. It allows you to have proactive control over your money, ensuring that every dollar you earn works towards your financial goals. Step 4. Develop your savings and investment strategies. With a budget in place, it's time to focus on maximizing your savings and start investing. Saving and investing are key components to building your financial security and achieving your long-term goals. While savings focuses on accumulating and preserving capital, investment seeks to grow that capital over time. Start with saving strategies. This could include methods such as paying yourself first, setting aside a percentage of your income for savings as soon as you receive your salary. Consider opening a high-interest savings account where you can store this money. Automating your savings through automatic transfers to your savings accounts can also help maintain your financial discipline. As for investments, if you are new to this field, start with low-risk options. Index investment funds or exchange-traded funds, such as ETFs, can be a good starting point. These funds offer diversification and are an effective way to start investing without needing to be an expert in the stock market. Diversification is crucial in investing, as we have seen in this other video in more detail. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and possibly cryptocurrencies, to reduce risk. The golden rule is to invest according to your risk tolerance and your long-term financial objectives. Consider your long-term goals, such as retirement, when making investment decisions. Investing in a retirement plan can offer tax benefits and be an excellent way to secure your financial future. Finally, continually educate about finances and investments. Read books, attend seminars, or follow financial channels like this one. The more you know, the better decisions you can make regarding your investments. Maximizing your savings and investing wisely are essential steps toward financial independence. With a strategic approach and continued education, you can make your money work for you, getting you closer to your financial goals. Before continuing, if you find this information useful, I encourage you to leave a like and subscribe. This way you can continue enjoying more content like this. Let's continue. Step 5. Manage your debts and credit capacity. Managing your debt is a crucial aspect of organizing your personal finances. Debt can be a heavy burden, but with the right strategy, you can control it and even use it to your advantage. The first thing is to make a complete inventory of your debts, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and any other type of loan. There are several effective strategies for reducing debt. One is the snowball method, which involves paying off smaller debts first for quick wins and then moving on to larger debts. Another approach is the avalanche method, where, you focus first on the debts with the highest interest rates. Both methods have their advantages, and the choice will depend on your personal situation and preferences. Your credit score is another key element in managing your finances. This number reflects your credit health and affects your ability to obtain loans and the terms of them. To improve your credit score, pay your bills on time, reduce balances on your credit cards, and avoid opening many new credit accounts simultaneously. Credit cards can be useful tools if used responsibly. Take advantage of the rewards and benefits they offer, but avoid falling into the trap of spending more than you can afford. Always pay your balance in full at the end of each month to avoid charges for interest. As you work to reduce your debt, it is also important to plan for a debt-free future. This may include establishing an emergency fund to avoid going into debt in unforeseen situations and adjusting your spending habits to live below your means. Step 6. Prepare for emergencies and the future. An essential part of organizing your personal finances is preparing for unforeseen situations and your financial future. Life is unpredictable, and having a plan for emergencies and a clear focus for the future can make a big difference in your financial well-being. Start by establishing an emergency fund. This fund is a financial cushion that can help you in cases of unexpected emergencies, such as car repairs, unplanned medical expenses, or job loss. Ideally, you should save 3 to 6 months of your life expenses in an easily accessible account. This money should be separated from your regular savings and only used in cases of true emergencies. Retirement planning is another crucial component. The sooner you start saving for retirement, the better. Take advantage of retirement plans offered by your employer, such as a 401k, or open an individual retirement account, IRA. Even small, regular contributions can add up significantly over time thanks to compound interest. It is also vital to have adequate insurance. This includes health, life, property, and, if applicable, disability insurance. These insurances can protect your family and yourself from unexpected and devastating expenses. Be sure to review and understand your policies to know exactly what they cover. As you progress through life, your financial needs and goals will change. Review and adjust your emergency and retirement plans regularly to reflect these changes. For example, as you have children, buy a home, or change jobs, you may need to make adjustments to your savings and insurance plans. Being prepared for emergencies and planning for your future are fundamental steps in organizing your personal finances. These plans provide you with peace of mind and stability, allowing you to face the unexpected and ensuring that your long-term goals are achievable. Step 7. Use tools and resources to keep your finances organized. In our digital age, there is an abundance of tools and resources that can greatly facilitate the management and organization of your personal finances. These tools help you track your income, expenses, savings, and investments, giving you a clear and up-to-date view of your financial situation. Personal finance apps are incredibly useful for tracking your spending and managing your budget. Many of these apps can connect directly to your bank and credit accounts, automatically categorizing your expenses and showing you in real time how you're spending your money. Look for apps that align with your specific needs and preferences and that offer features such as budgeting, spending alerts, and savings goal tracking. For investing and retirement planning, there are online tools and investment platforms that offer not only the ability to invest, but also educational resources to help you make informed decisions. These platforms can provide detailed analysis of your portfolio, projections, retirement, and diversification advice. If you are managing debt, consider using specific tools for debt consolidation and management. These tools can help you plan payments, estimate how long it will take you to be debt-free, and explore strategies to reduce interest rates. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a financial planner or calendar. Whether digital or paper-based, keeping a calendar of your recurring payments, bill due dates, and other important financial obligations can help you avoid late payments and keep your finances organized. With the right tools and resources, organizing your finances can be a much easier and less overwhelming task. These tools give you the clarity and control needed to keep your finances on track. Remember that the key is to find the tools that best suit your needs and lifestyle. Organizing your finances may seem like a daunting task at first, but remember, every great journey begins with one small step. I encourage you to apply what you've learned today, using the strategies and tools we've discussed to take control of your financial situation. and work towards your goals and dreams. Thank you for joining this journey to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with those you think could also benefit. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides on personal finance, and let me know in the comments if there are any specific topics you would like me to explore in depth. Thanks for watching.